and this is the last time I'll be looking at these tails. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get some Illumaesthetic LEDs. A little bit of an upgrade from what we got. Just going to make the exterior that much cooler, that much better. First things first, so this video is going to be quite short. I don't have torsion bars in my trunk, so I have to have the trunk latch being held while I open up my trunk. In order for you to pull your tails, you're gonna have like 2 bolts, screws, whatever the hell you have in your car. Because in my car, obviously, it's just put with whatever. But before we pull these tails, let me give you guys an idea of how these tails look. These are the LED depots. You can find them. I found mine on Amazon, and I found them for a little under, I think it was like 300 bucks. I think they work great, but I'm ready for an upgrade. Alright, so again, it's just going to be screws or bolts. I can have both. Okay, cool. Hey, it came out just like that. And then this is the electrical harness. And just like that, your taillights are off. Before you know it, you too can be a certified U2 mechanic. Let's take off the other side. I actually really like the look of these LEDs. Didn't have to use a load resistor on these because the reverse light is not an LED. The 2 brake lights are, and the turn signals are, but the reverse ones aren't. Depending on your Evo, your electronics, you may or may not need to use a load resistor with them. But for me, they were pretty simple to install. We're gonna go meet up with somebody in Salt Lake. I'm gonna go trade these with some cash on my end. Then I'll basically be back with some awesome looking taillights. Damn! They look great. They're a direct plug and play. You are gonna need a load resistor for each side in the harness. I'm not sure exactly which one, but it's just for the turn signals, just so that way they don't do a fast blink. But I actually don't mind the fast blink. If I decide to change my mind down the road, I'll change it then, but let's install them real quick. Fitment's pretty good. They're tinted, but they're LEDs, so I mean, damn dude, these things look great. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, okay. See that. Yeah. Super happy. This is one more closer thing to getting the exterior done. I didn't have to do the tails, I just thought that maybe these would fit the look a little bit better. I think they look awesome. No regrets. No regrets. Not even a vowel. Really just waiting on these other exterior pieces to get here. I'm doing me this year, so I'm making this year mine. This is the year of my Evo. I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more Evo content. Next video should be something that nobody has made a video of. But they've been installed, but nobody's made a video of how to install or a review of them or whatever. So stay tuned. Till next time.